We're at the Aroostook Center Mall in Presque Isle. Let's check out the Wintergreen Art Center.
Hi, welcome to Wintergreen. I'm Dottie Hutchins, the Executive Director.
And I'm Gretchen Violet, the Chair of the Board.
We'd like to show you around, tell you a little bit about the space. This area is used by our preschool. This is where they do their circle time. And there's something unique about this area, the space. We weren't able to bring this mural with us, so we took a picture of it and we made it into wallpaper. This was painted by Wintergreen founder, Laura Cannon. So it's a way to bring a little bit of our old space into our new space.
This is the Don and Linda Zillman studio space. They are longtime supporters of Wintergreen and came back around this time to support us once again. We're very fortunate to have their continued support, and we're happy to call this the Don and Linda Zillman and Friends studio space. This is where our preschoolers come. They hang their jackets on the fence posts here, put their boots down. We had a local artist donated their time to make our garden behind our fence. Our preschoolers come here, they do their artwork, they do some of their lessons here. They also come and eat their snack at our little tables. And then throughout the day, they can come over to our custom height sinks, which were made just for them. In the afternoon, our after-school students come and they do visual arts at these tables. So we utilize this space throughout the day. It would also be used for special events as needed.
And in here is our well-kept secret. This is where teachers come in and prep for their classes. And in our old space, it used to mean going up and down rickety old basement stairs. So now we're all on one level.
The thing I like the best about this space is it was done completely by volunteers. We originally started out with a $100,000 budget working with a general contractor. As soon as COVID hit, we knew we couldn't head in that direction. We weren't going to be able to raise the funds. So we decided to do it through volunteers. Gretchen Violet and myself organized the project, and we brought the budget down to $35,000. The only people we hired were electricians, licensed electricians and plumbers. Everything else was done with volunteers. Some were our board members, some were volunteers from the community and people that have contributed to the space. One of our major contributors is Rod and Wendy McCrum, have sponsored the preschool area. MMG Insurance gave us a wonderful donation 2 years ago that started our digital arts, and they stayed with us. They sponsored our tech room here. So without the kind of volunteer efforts that we had and the people that come forward, we wouldn't be here.
Hi, I'm Mr. Archer, and I teach digital arts here at Wintergreen. This is our tech room where students have access to laptops, where we use open source software to design both 2D and 3D. We're doing some 3D printing here today. This session, we've been designing and making our video games, some for virtual reality, and the kids get to play and test on our Quest headset here. The next session is going to be robotics. So the kiddos have helped us get these robot kits together, and they've been programming them using Scratch. You know, kids come here, they have a lot of fun, and we choose to work with open source a lot. So that way they can go home and download those same applications and continue creating.
This is our movable wall. This wall is over 8 feet tall. It is 12 feet wide. It can move anywhere in the center that we need it to. We can use it to divide a space. Right now we're using it to feature our Artist of the Month, Philomena Irving. She is a local artist, and every month our artist changes so that we bring more art to our community and the artists get to express themselves. This wall was necessary because we have so many windows in our new space, and it was difficult for us to display the artwork. So we have this, and on the other side we have another purpose that we've installed a television. Our preschool sometimes uses that to interact with the students, as well as our after-school students get to utilize this when they're creating.
This new space nearly doubles, or more than doubles, our programming space. We're 5,300 square feet. a little over 4,000 of it is programming, which doubles where the space we came from. And it's why we came here, is we just outgrew the space that we were in. We run a creative preschool Monday through Thursday in the morning, 8 to 11. And we are now able to offer tandem after school programming. Right now we're offering visual arts and digital arts at the same time. So we've doubled the amount of kids that we can run through here. We also have a cafe. We use the cafe for our First Friday artwork events, our signature holiday events. We also have a woman that does private party and events for us, and we have a wonderful space to do that in.